Hello friends, so today we will see how to find sum of a complicated arithmetic progression series. This is problem number 5. We have already covered 4 problems before this. So the logic will be same as the other problems. So let's look at it, how we can solve it. So if you see here, we may require two variables instead of one. The first one is going from 2 to 4 to 6 to 8. So the difference between each term is 2. So it will go till 20 with the difference of 2. And the denominator, it starts from 10 and decrements by 1 every time. 10, 9, 8, 7, 1. So first we have to perform summation of all these terms. So we will take double sum equal to 0. We will initialize our sum with 0. Why double? Because we can see the division operator here. If we take it as int, then it might truncate the decimal part. Because the answer will only be an integer if two integers are divided. We want an exact answer, so we will take it as double. So first I will declare my sum equal to 0. Now let's look at our loop. So first will be my ith loop as previous examples. My ith loop is for iterating over the n number of terms. Here we already know that it is going till 10. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 and 1. So I have 10 terms. So I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. So this is my ith loop for iterating over 10 terms. Now for numerator, I need one more variable. Let's call it a. So my numerator will start from 2 and will increment every time by 1, by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So let me start. My starting value is 2 for numerator and the increment. Uh, so this condition will remain same, I less than equal to 10, because there will be 10 terms only. It will iterate till 10 terms are completed. The only condition I need to put for numerator is in the third part, that is the increment. I will increment it by 2. Okay. So my numerator is sorted. It starts from 2 and every time increments by 2 and it will go till 10 number of terms. Now let's look at the denominator part. My denominator part starts from 10 and it decrements every time by 1 and it will go till 1. So no need to change anything in this condition. Okay, let's look at the initialization and increment part. So let me take one more variable for the denominator. So my denominator starting term is 10. Okay, and here I will decrement my d every time by 1. So I can just write d minus minus, which is equal to d minus 1. Now my sum will be 0, that is sum plus my numerator, which is a in this case. The 2 value, basically the starting value will be 2, and my denominator, which is 10 in this case. 2 by 10, then 4 by 9, like that. And since we are dividing two integer values, so my answer will be integer. I want an exact answer with the decimal part as well. So I will typecast it and I will typecast the numerator part. I will, even if one of the either numerator or denominator is a double, then the answer will be, then the calculation will have the decimal part. It will be a double result. So I have typecasted my numerator. So it is now a double value. It will return it is now a double value. So the result of double divided by integer will be a double. So it will give me the decimal part. If you look at this, you can actually make it shorter. I will tell you that later. First, let's dry run it to understand it better. Okay. So my first my I value is 1. Okay. And my A value is 2. And my D value is 10. My I is less than equal to 10. That is 1 is less than equal to 10. Condition satisfied. So I will come inside the loop. So my sum will become, initially my sum was 0. So it will be 0 plus A by D. That is 2 by 10. And the result will be double because I typecast A as double. Fine. Now I will be incremented by 1. So in the next iteration, this is my first iteration. So in the next iteration, my I will become 2. My A will get incremented by 2. So A will become 4. And D will get decremented by 1. So D will be 9. Some value will be, so my I2 is again less than 10. So it will come inside the loop. Some value like 0 plus 2 by 10 is 2 by 10. So I can just take it 2 by 10. So it will be 2 by 10 plus, this time my numerator is 4 and my denominator is 9. Let's look at the third one. I equal to 3. A will get incremented by 2. So A will become 6. And D will get decremented by 1. So D will become 8. So sum will be the previous value of sum, which is 2 by 10 plus 4 by 9. And the new value of sum will be A by D, which is 6 by 8. So as you can see, we are going in the right direction. And once my I will become equal to 10, then it will come out of the loop and print the sum value. So if I try to make it shorter, what I can do is, instead of taking 3 variables, I can do the same with 2 variables. Let me keep it and show you how it can be how we can make it shorter. Okay. So if I take I as 10 and instead of I plus plus, I do I minus minus. And delete the D variable. Change this condition to I greater than equal to 1. See, now also it is covering the 10 terms only because I will start from 10 and it will go on till 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So my 10 terms are covered. And I can use this I instead of D because the values also I am getting same as D, which is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I will start from 10 and it will go on till I is greater than equal to 1. This is an or part. Either you can do by this method or you can make it shorter and do it by this method. If you want, I can dry run the other method as well to make it more clearer. Okay. So this is the first method, not exact method, but first way. Let me show you the dry run part of second way. So my first iteration, I will be equal to 10, right? And A will be equal to 2. So sum will be, initially my sum is 0. 0 plus, so as you can see, I is 10 and my A value is 2. So what will be my sum? Sum will be 0 equal to 10 by 2. So I am going to write it, it will be A by I, sorry. It will be 2 by 10, right? In my second iteration, I will become, I will decrement by 1. So I will become 9 and A will become, it will get incremented by 2. So A will become 4. So my sum will be 0 plus 2 by 10 is 2 by 10. So sum will be 2 by 10 plus 4 by 9. Now, in my third iteration, my I value will become 8 and my A value will become 4 plus 2, which is 6. So my sum value will be 2 by 10 plus 4 by 9 plus 6 by 8. And it will keep on going till my I value will become 1. So I hope you understood the logic. Let's go to our Eclipse and write this program. So let me create a class. So this is sum of series 5. Let me auto-populate public static void main. Click on finish. So my sum value, I have declared it, I've initialized it to be 0 initially, and then my loop will start. My loop will be, as I have explained you earlier, I'm going to write this approach. So I will start from 10, go till 1, and will get decremented every time by 1. And A will start from 2 and will get incremented every time by 2, and it will continue till I is greater than equal to 1. So for int I equal to 10 and A equal to 2, I greater than equal to 1, I will get decremented every time, and A will be incremented by 2. And my sum will be sum plus, I will typecast it as double, and it will be, as you can see, it will be A by I, 2 by 10. A by I. And outside the loop, I will print the value of sum. Let's run this. So my sum is 44.43. So this is the correct answer. Uh, Basically, if you calculate all these terms, then it will give 44.437. If you calculate this, I want you to use a calculator and calculate the series 2 by 10 plus 4 by 9 plus 6 by 8 plus 8 by 7 plus 10 by 6 plus 12 by 5 till 20 by 1. And the answer will be 44.437 and so on. So if you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.